Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar XF. So we go to settings here, the two cogs, click on settings. You've got home settings, all settings, audio settings. We go to all settings. Connectivity, Bluetooth. And you've got pair new device, paired devices. We want paired devices, or you can forget all devices. Just do this one. Oh, there's a car behind. Paired device, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, disconnect, forget device. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar XF. First of all, we go into our phone, put settings onto Bluetooth, and then we're watching out at the bottom. We see over here, tap to connect phone. Tap. Use your device to search for Jaguar XF. So we're just waiting for it to come up here. Jaguar XF. Click on Jaguar XF. Just thinking about it. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. 563694, 536694. Pair, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And basically when you see that come up, you know it's connected. And there we go, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro connected. Easy as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar XF. So onto music, we want a track that we like. My favourite record at the moment, which is on everything, Home Sweet Home by the Favours. You'll see at the bottom there, that's the screen. If I click play on this, you'll see there at the bottom the two little symbols. If I click on there, iPhone speaker or Jaguar XF, and it even shows you the volume that it will play at on the Jaguar XF. So if I set this properly, any audio that's playing on my iPhone 15 will play through the speakers and the Meridian speakers in this Jaguar XF. So the speaker system is fantastic. So I'm going to click play here. So that's playing. I go over to the media system and you'll see there on the home screen, media off. That's the radio. We need to change it to Bluetooth. So we click on source and you've got there radio and Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Change it to Barry's iPhone there. That's how you stream audio. I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2019 Jaguar XF. So we hit the search button here from the home screen, search button, and we want PR54EA and then click enter. Searching offline. Were you looking for this? Yes. Well, I'm sat on the forecourt, but start.
After 250 yards, turn right and then make a U-turn.
That's it. So I'm sat on the forecourt. I've confused it. But also what you can do, which is a great thing, no messing about with Jaguar Land Rover. If you go back to the home screen, you're getting near your home, you don't need instructions anymore. You'll see you go back to the home screen and you can cancel navigation there. It's a brilliant system. Okay, this Jaguar XF has got wired CarPlay, which means that it will only work if I have a USB lead from my phone to the USB socket in the front central armrest. However, I don't particularly like wired Bluetooth because it means you have to get your phone out, then you've got your phone somewhere and there's never anywhere to put it. It does keep it charged, but it's not something I like. But a few months ago I was sent this. Now normally it just plugs in like so. Just plugs in like so, and you don't need anything else. I always carry this because in Range Rovers it won't fit in the little compartment, so I carry this extension lead. On the Jaguar I don't need it, it's perfect. And you will see now what's happened. On the dashboard, use iPhone Bluetooth Connect to AI Box BT we go into settings and then look out at the bottom, AI box, BT, click that. Pairing request, you don't need to, you just click pair there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Now just watch here. Connect. Apple CarPlay. So now it's Bluetooth. Every time you get in the car while that's plugged in, you can use your Apple CarPlay. And Apple CarPlay is just the best. There you go, YouTube Music, WhatsApp, and you can use it all by just a 2-second press on here to tell your Apple CarPlay what to do. You don't need to touch your phone at all. Okay, what can you do with Apple CarPlay? Let's see if the voice activation works. So if I click this for 2 seconds, that should allow me to get Siri. I'm going to just put this away. I always carry one of these around with me, fortunately, because Bluetooth Apple CarPlay is the best. It's the best system out there. That's the screen. Hopefully, I shouldn't need to touch it. So, 2 seconds on voice activation. 1, 2. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
You'll see there, the go button came up. You don't need to press it. It will just navigate straight away. I want to stop off somewhere on my way to Manchester Airport. Take me to Starbucks.
One option I see is Starbucks on Sheep Hill Lane in Chorley. It adds 8 minutes to your route. Is that the one you want?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
So that adds a stop off on my way to Manchester Airport. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
So you can also play music. Play Home Sweet Home by the Favours.
Here's Home Sweet Home by the Favours. Phineas and Ash on Apple Music.
As I say, the Meridian speakers in this vehicle, second to none. Listen to this. Now, unfortunately, it's fantastic in here. If you're listening to it on a little iPhone or something that hasn't got Meridian speakers, you won't get the full benefit, but trust me, it's great. So you can play single tracks. Shuffle music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
It's absolutely brilliant. You want to make a call? I'm just going to hold this up. As I say, you don't need to touch your phone, but call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
It's engaged. It's trying to call myself, so obviously I'm calling out and it's calling me. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just testing the little Linky Fun Bluetooth adapter. It's really, really good. It's for Apple CarPlay.
It says, I'm just testing these little Linky Fun Bluetooth adapter. It's really, really good. It's for Apple CarPlay. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
There you go. You'll see you get a text, but of course you're driving. You're not allowed to touch your phone. You don't need to touch your phone. So I can put that down. What I do now is read messages.
Barry said, I'm just testing these little Linky Fun Bluetooth adapter. It's really, really good. It's for Apple CarPlay. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
So Apple CarPlay, and as I say, this XF has got Apple CarPlay. It would normally be through a wire from your phone or a USB cable from your phone into, you plug your phone into there, it keeps it charged. I prefer Bluetooth, so I don't have to get my phone out of my pocket. I just get in the car and it already works. You can do it with this. I'll put a link in the description. Honestly, it's the best money you can spend. So all that's possible through Bluetooth, through your phone, so long as you've got Apple CarPlay wired through that adapter. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.